remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
And the producer!
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Hey! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! Like people don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, cause guess what's coming back? Hey. Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! Wait, one more thing! Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. So right now,
100-degree egg frying on the pavement.
Okay,
we're gonna test it, see if it works.
we're gonna test it
You've
because
all heard about it.
yes, we don't know if it's gonna work.
It's so hot here.
Yes, exactly.
It's been like 100 degrees for the past week. It's been absolutely miserable here in New Jersey. So we came out to the back of the bakery.
Put your hand there.
Yeah, it's hot.
Can you keep your hand there?
Yeah, because my hands are used to being in hot pans. And
Okay,
stuff, so.
I'm sensitive, so it won't do it.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
don't know. Oh, let's do it over here.
Let's
Ready? Let's
see
see if this egg bakes.
see if we save one of the eggs that the chickens lay at Woodland Bakery bakes. Let's see. I've always wanted to do this because everybody says it does it.
I don't think it's gonna do it.
Why is not? What if we let it sit? Crumb Boss, what do you think? We should let it sit?
Yeah, because what else are we gonna do with it? It's gonna sit there all week.
It's gonna sit there all week. There it is right now. Even though it's what is it, 197, 98 in New Jersey, we're trying to fry an egg. This is one of the eggs that the chickens lay at Woodland Bakery. How many chickens do you have?
17.
17. Do you know all their names?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay, and right now it doesn't look like even on the back out
Not
here.
even here.
Not even there. It's turning color.
Oh, look, it's going fast.
It's melting though.
Slip and slide.
It's melting.
It's melting.
It's definitely melting.
Yeah.
So this proves that even though it is 100 degrees and people say you can put an egg outside and do it on the pavement, nothing's happening.
Ooh, I'm mesmerized. I can't stop looking at it.
Okay, there you go. That's your new...
Come on!